We have a look now at all 4 fires burning in Riverside County. This map shows the valley on the right. Then you can see the Highland fire burning near Beaumont and Banning. All evacuations there have now been lifted. Let's zoom in a little bit now. The Rabbit fire, that's the largest one of these fires, is burning near Lakeview south of Beaumont. One person has been injured in that one. And to the west of that fire, the Ritchie fire is north of Moreno Valley near the top of your screen. And finally, on the far left-hand side of your screen, you can see the Gavilan fire that's burning near Paris. There are evacuation warnings in place for the Gavilan fire. Again, the Rabbit fire, that's this one right here, is the largest at nearly 8,000 acres and is just 35% contained.
We're focusing our efforts today on that southbound portion of the 79 to get that reopened, as well as strengthening those control lines and then being poised and ready for any new incidents that may occur in the county.
Evacuation orders near the Rabbit fire have been downgraded to warnings in some areas. You can find more details on these fires at KESQ.com. If you do plan to drive near any of these fire areas, CAL FIRE is urging you to watch out for their crews anywhere near the road.